Ayan. After 5 hours, it's done. It's all about school matter. Itong kid dyan sa picture. Ayan, sa kanyang school. Well, it's made from me. And it's a recycled bag. Yan. I don't know if it's for the school project or for school competition or something like that. Yan. So, nag-effort tayo ng konti lang. Yan. It's about bag. Let's see the bottom. Yan, lagyan natin ng picture ng mama niya at saka picture ng aking pamangkin. Yan, siya po yung may-ari nito. Naglambing kay tito niya. Nagawan ko daw siya. Or tulungan ko siya. Yan, medyo natagalan kami sa paggawa.